Welcome to the AIM Learn Fast e-training series presented by AIM Sports, providing support and training of your AIM Sports products when and where you want it. This Learn Fast training module is Updating Solo and SoloDL Firmware. Improvement of our products is something AIM Sports is always working on. All of our lap timers and data loggers are designed to be kept updated and current with free firmware upgrades that are posted on our website. The updating of the Solo firmware is a simple process that requires a file download from the www.aimsports.com website, and then running that file on your computer connected to your Solo with the cable that was included when you received your Solo. To begin, first open your web browser to www.aimsports.com. Once you are at our website, there are several ways to get to our download page. For this session, we will use the Quick Links bar and click on the Download Software link. This software update page opens. Here you will find all of your AIM Sports software and firmware. The Solo firmware is located down the page, so we will use the elevator bar along the right side of the page to scroll down to the Solo firmware link. The Solo firmware is about 2/3 of the way down the page. There it is. To download or run the current version of the Solo firmware, select the link. Now, depending on your computer and what internet browser you are using, the next few steps can vary, but they should be similar. After clicking on the link, a dialog box will open asking if you want to run the operation right from here, or do you want to save the file on your computer and run it locally. For this example, I am going to save it and run it from my computer locally. The file has been saved in a folder called Downloads, and to run the file and start the firmware upgrade process, double-click on the file. Again, different computers and different operating systems will vary, but typically a generic security warning dialog box could open next asking if you are sure you want to run this software. The AIM Sports software is safe for your computer, so go ahead and click on the Run button. This will open the actual AIM firmware upgrade program. The first thing to do is have your Solo turned on and connect it to your computer with the cable you received when you purchased the Solo. First, the program will ask if you wish to upgrade your Solo. Click Yes. Then the program will start the process. This area will report on the progress of the firmware upgrade. Also shown here is what the Solo displays during the upgrade. When the Solo firmware upgrade is completed, you will need to close the program by pressing on the Terminate button. And that will finish the Solo upgrade process. Upgrading the firmware on the Solo and all of the AIM Sports data systems is very easy and always a free download from our website. This completes the Updating Solo and SoloDL Firmware Learn Fast video. For more AIM Sports Learn Fast e-training content and information about upcoming on-site training seminars, visit www.aimsports.com/support, your source for support and training of AIM Sports products when and where you want it.